Home Remedies presents
Carom seeds, side effects and recommendations. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video I will put forward some potential side effects of using carom seeds. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Before this video, I have done 6 parts discussing the useful remedies of carom seeds to treat various ailments related to health, skin and hair. If you have not watched those, I would request everyone to watch it. Let us now look at some of its side effects. Researchers have found that some of the organic compounds found in Ajwain can actually worsen the existing liver conditions. If an individual is suffering from hepatitis, cirrhosis, or other liver disorders, then he or she must speak to a doctor before consuming Ajwain regularly. Eating too much carom seeds can increase acidity in the gut and then lead to diarrhea, nausea, vomiting and other stomach problems. The powerful active ingredients found in Ajwain seeds can cause inflammation in the mouth or even lead to mouth ulcers if too much Ajwain seeds are chewed frequently. Recommendations: make sure that you do not consume more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of carom seeds per day. The best time to chew some carom seeds is after meals. If you need to use it daily, it's better to prepare decoction. After boiling it in water, store the decoction in room temperature and drink 50 ml when required. Do remember that while eating raw Ajwain, one should completely chew and swallow it. I hope you liked the video on the wonderful benefits of carom seeds or Ajwain for our skin, hair and health. Thanks for all your support guys.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.